up, yo. Got a story to tell about a ghost on the throne that almost went to hell. A whole bunch of questions and I come up with a plan. Here's the lowdown on how it all began. Wesley Roof.
Ryan Wesley Roof, that's the name they say. 58 years old, from Hawaii, no delay. AK-47 and hand scope on tight, pointed at Trump's golf club, what a fright. Secret Service on point, they didn't hesitate. Fired some shots, made the suspect evacuate. Ryan Wesley Roof and Donald Trump, names in the headlines. Assassination attempts, cross some serious lines. From the golf course to I-95, a high-stakes chase to keep Trump alive. 300 to 500 yards, that's how close he got. GoPro on the fence, was he filming the plot? 2 backpacks found full of ceramic tile. What was his plan? It'll take a while. Trump says he's safe, won't slow down his gang. Kamala and Joe, they're glad all the same. Ryan Wesley Roof and Donald Trump, names in the headlines. Assassination attempts, cross some serious lines. From the golf course to I-95, a high-stakes chase to keep Trump alive. Roof led the scene in a black Nissan ride, but license plate readers nowhere to hide. Martin County Sheriff pulled him over quick, said he was calm, emotions didn't stick. Left-wing causes, that's what he supported. Ukraine and Taiwan, that's what he told it. Unfolds of a Sunday golf game that got real bold. Remember folks, violence ain't the way. Stay safe, stay calm, live to see another day.